Hi, I'm Disney artist and historian Stacia Martin, and I'm here to help celebrate the most magical celebration on Earth, Walt Disney World and its 50th anniversary. And how better than by drawing one of our famous Disney animated stars? You know, it's because of these famous Disney animated stars that we have the magic of Walt Disney World, because Walt Disney as a filmmaker knew that telling stories and creating believable personalities that everyone would love was the way to really establish a bond with his audience. And I mean, he started really well from the very beginning with Mickey and, of course, the character I'm drawing now, the lovely Miss Minnie Mouse. Minnie was by Mickey's side from the very beginning. The first two silent films, Plain Crazy and Gallopin' Gaucho, and the third film, the one that actually made their public debut, Steamboat Willie, where 1928 ushered in not only Mickey and Minnie's career, but also the era of talking sound cartoons. There wasn't a great deal of dialogue in Steamboat Willie, a lot of sound effects, and Minnie, of course, who was late for the steamboat, makes a few little screams and screeches as she is rescued from Podunk Dock onto the ship to go on for a musical songfest on board with her new beau. But that was enough to put audiences of 1928 just in the aisles rolling with laughter and joy, because they'd never seen an actual synchronized soundtrack cartoon before. You'd have theater organists kind of making the same noises that you were seeing on the screen, but not something that you could visit again and again and again on subsequent trips to the cinema in precisely the same way. Steamboat Willie, Mickey, and Minnie created such a sensation that Walt was able to afford to put sound to the previous two films and launch his two mice on their career. And of course, that career has never slowed down, and we are so thrilled that Minnie Mouse is pretty much going to be a superstar for another 50 years here at Walt Disney World. So I guess we can say not just here's to the magic of Walt Disney World, but in this case, ears to the magic of Walt Disney World, somewhere where the young are not ever going to grow up. And of course, we who have kind of started on our way can go back into the world that we loved to inhabit from our earliest days. 50 years isn't that long when you're an animated star. I don't think they age the same way that we humans do. So we're in for another 50 years of eternal laughter, eternal excitement, and most of all, the fantasy worlds that Walt Disney wanted to bring to life, being brought to life for another generation, or two, or three. Happy birthday, Walt Disney World.